Uh-oh. It's dark. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, it's dark outside. This would be the last Sunday race of the year. And go ahead, come on in. Go ahead. He's trying to get on camera. It's not going to work. Anyway, this is the last Sunday race of the year. And truly fashion, it is dark outside. So, anyway, plus it's a lot colder this time of the year. So, with that, good thing we have a shop. We stuck the truck in. Kept it good and warm for us. But other than that, let's get this thing hooked up. Get the golf cart loaded. And get on down the road. So here we come. Okay, got everything hooked up. As you can tell, it is still fairly dark outside. The camera kind of brightened things up, but with that, I don't know if that helps or not. Okay, today Mokan will be in 2 classes today. Hopefully the car will behave itself. It won't burn up, any of that good stuff. But I think we got all that licked. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my last video. It kind of explains it, and go from there. So anyway, with that, let's get on down the road and let's get to our famous stop. And Pops just actually turned the heater on, so it is showing 56 out right now. Truck was in the shop last night, so I'm not too sure how accurate that is. But anyway, let's get on down the road. Finally made it to Sonic, and today they are sporting Halloween out. They got the little scarecrows out there in the front. Pops is getting his order in, and hope he doesn't get scared of the blow-up tools or toys there. So anyway, made it to Sonic. We did hit a little patch of light rain. It only lasted for a minute or so, but there's not supposed to be any chance of rain up there today in Mokan. So hopefully that's out of the system. It is kind of cloudy here anyway, and it is 52 degrees. So yeah, can't wait to see what the bag looks like. So the big bag reveal will be coming here very soon. So just sit back, relax, and wait for the big bag reveal coming up. Okay, Pops is on the way with the bag. We'll see how that turns out. Okay, and what do we have here today? School bag. Oh, we're back to our, they're still celebrating the school. So good job, Sonic. Like I said, looks like a brown bag like I used to take to school. But anyway, they are supporting the schools, which is a good thing. So with that, let's get on down the road and get to the track. So this is what you don't want to see driving to a racetrack. Yeah, I'm gonna have to run wipers.
Right in front of the blue dot.
Yeah.
That's what we're running in.
Oh, okay.
It's real small.
Yeah. Yep. Still raining. Roads are really, really wet here. I don't know. Well, finally made it. You can see a little bit of blue skies there. So, yeah. So far, it's gonna be a good day. Now, if it's one thing, it's another. The luck continues. Oh, yes. Almost out of oil. Thanks, John. Okay, we got everything. We got everything going. The mess inside. Tell you what, during the warm-up lap. Oh my gosh, the whole room. There we go. There we go. During the warm-up lap, when I punched it, a bunch of the, I don't know, from the fire extinguisher, that powder just engulfed inside. I was going down the warm-up. Anyway, so as you can tell, it's still in here.
It's going to take a few passes for this stuff to get out of the car, so I shouldn't be concerned about it. As long as I don't smell smoke, I'm good. So anyway, we got everything ready to go. It's all clean up the best we can, and get ready to make our first pass. It is a cool morning here. It's around 54, 55 right now. So anyway, let's get on down the track. Okay, he's getting fuel in the car. Car is running really good. In fact, that was the quickest pass it has done in a while. So it's a, can't read it, it's a 654 with the 6, cutting 139.6 on the 60 foot. And luckily this time we are all green, so no red light so far, so I think I'm on the right track. So with that, on to eliminations, here we come. Okay, first round of no E coming up. Okay, we got a 656 on it. So then we'll probably have a 54 on the Super Pro. It's just about 2 difference on that right now. So anyway, here comes first round. Recap on the no E. I just messed up on the light. What can I say? Had a 53 or 56 light. He had a 20 something light. And the car ran a 2 off, or almost 2 off. Anyway, is what it is. We'll do better. We're gonna buy back in. Now we're getting ready for Super Pro. I did back the dial off just a little bit. Put a 55 on it instead of 54. So we'll see how that goes. Second round no E coming up. I am staying with my 56. I think that 58 was a fluke. I think the car sat too long, cooled off. So got a couple passes on it now, so we should be good to go. Style by 1,000ths. Is what it is. So we're going to try back here in Super Pro and see if we can get some rounds in this class. So anyway, I moved the dial down to a 54 from a 55. Just got a feeling. So anyway, we're going to do with that for Super Pro round number 2.
Super Pro 54 on it. Need a little bit better on the light. We had a 20 on that last one. So we'll try to get in the teens of double. I'm not going to change the delay in the box. I think it's still got a good delay in it. So I'm going to leave it right where it's at. So anyway, round 3 coming up. It's misting out here. It's misting. It's misting. Look on the car. Okay guys, that's another win. 011 light. Ran a 55 and 54. I actually got out of it. The guy just didn't run his dial. So anyway, going on to the 4th round. GoPro's messing up. I don't think I got a coverage on that one, but anyway, red light is what it is. 4th round. Okay guys, started off really good. Getting some good reactions. Not so good in no E. I just screwed up in that one. Super Pro started off really good. Cut some really good lights, getting some wins. Then until the 4th round. So the luck still continues. The bad luck still continues. Went to hit the starter button inside the car and it was dead. So anyway, we have a button underneath the hood that when we checked the valves and all that stuff, it's like a bump start. Was able to get the car started with that. So when we went up there for the 4th round, we had to keep the hood kind of loose. Then once we hit the ignition, fired up, then we have to put the hood pins, tighten the hood down and all that good stuff. And I think it got me out of sync a little bit because that's not standard practice, any of that stuff. So anyway, went red on that round. It is what it is. I'm happy to go that many rounds. Felt good, but it happens. So anyway, with that, we're done until CDRA weekend. That comes up here in 5 days. It's just today's Sunday, so Friday we'll be back up here. Then with that, I need to get the car, figure out why it's not running. So anyway, link, share, do where you have to. Sorry about the GoPro issues. I'm not too sure, won't know until I edit it, but anyway, it is what it is. So I'll try to get all that figured out for the next race. So other than that, I'm out of here. Okay guys, before everybody start blaming me about having the I got crappy wiring and all that stuff, this last race we just got the car in the shop here, as you can tell. Here we go. So anyway, I blew a fuse. I couldn't tell at the track, and the reason why I blew a fuse is the output. This guy fuse right here, that was supposed to, output draws about 13 amps. I had a 10 amp in it, so it just drew, it just, you know, it is what it is. So we upped to 15 amp and it spins over now. So anyway, got the right size fuse, and guess what, things work now. So anyway, so I just want to give you an update what happened and stuff. So if you watch the end of the video, that's what happened. So anyway, on to the next race.
It's feeding his face.